Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option about a swing as a simple pendulum. The question is as follows. A person of mass m is sitting on a swing of length L and swinging with an angular amplitude θ0 as shown in the figure. The person stands up when the swing passes through its lowest point, assuming that his center of mass moves up by a distance L. The work done by him is close to. The options are mgl into 1 plus θ0 square, mgl into 1 minus θ0 square, and mgl into 1 plus θ0 square by 2. Now for the answer. The situation is shown in the figure. The motion of a swing is similar to that of a simple pendulum. It is given that the angular amplitude is equal to θ0 and length of the swing is equal to L. Therefore, displacement amplitude is given by A is equal to θ0 into L. Now, time period of a simple pendulum is given by T is equal to 2 pi root over L by G. Also, angular velocity is given by omega is equal to 2 pi by T, which implies omega is equal to root over G by L. Now, maximum speed of the person at the lowest point is given by v0 is equal to omega into A. From equations 1 and 2, we have v0 is equal to root over G by L into θ0 L. Now, total force acting at the lowest point is equal to weight plus centripetal force. Therefore, we have F is equal to mg plus mv0 square by L, which is equal to mg plus m by L into g by L into θ0 square L square, which implies F is equal to mg into 1 plus θ0 square. Now, the displacement of the center of mass is equal to L. Therefore, work done is given by W is equal to F into L, which is equal to mgl into 1 plus θ0 square, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.